like that. Obviously you're very welcome to Ireland. What I can say is sometimes we can be very direct as people dealing with each other. It might come across the wrong way to yourself, but if you do feel like you are, I suppose, being viewed in a way that you don't think is appropriate, every single one of us wear the uniform like this, and we have the numbers on our side, and they're all a unique number and a letter. So you can take note of that number that's on the shoulder. If you want to go make a complaint, you can make a complaint to either a Garda station or to an organisation, the Ombudsman it's called, FISRU, that can be done. Myself, personally, anyone I deal with out on the street, I deal with everyone exactly the same. You know, everyone has problems. It's a busy city. Everyone's circumstance is different. Some people are homeless or struggling with money, some people aren't. Some people are running businesses. At the end of the day, it's a busy city with a high population, and we do have rules to enforce. I don't think that, personally, I don't think that we are subjecting people to ill treatment. You know, it's certainly not intentional.
I guess could I just comment as well that I think this is why I think it's really important for events like this that people have the opportunity to meet the Gardaí. You know, I know the first time I experienced a crime in Ireland, I wasn't confident going to the Gardaí. So I mean, if I'm not confident, I don't expect people who are very new to the country to be confident either. But I think when you have met people and when you see that they are regular people, and it doesn't mean they're perfect people, but they're regular people as well, it makes it a little bit easier to say these are people who it's easy to come to and easy to have a conversation with. Like, is everybody as respectful as they should be all the time? Absolutely not. And if there's any racism that comes from the Gardaí, it is completely unacceptable and it needs to be reported. But it isn't acceptable. And if if people have experienced racism from the Gardaí, they are encouraged to report that and to say that there is bad conduct on the part of Garda who are representing the city. But I guess for me it's really important that we build that positive relationship between your community of the Somali community and the Gardaí, so that when instances are happening, you know, and you feel comfortable coming to, and I think even, you know, in your restaurant before, Salman and I discussed it with the Gardaí and we had a conversation, we were able to kind of get somewhere. But when those links are there and when that conversation is possible, things get resolved a lot easier than when we believe that we are all against each other. So I think that's also why it's so important that the Gardaí are here, and why we have these opportunities.
So,